कि हम तो वो तारीख हैं ज़हनों में रहना है जिसे कागजी पुर्जे नहीं जो फाड़ डाले जाएंगे। जिस ज़मीन पे मैं खड़ा हूँ ये मेरी पहचान है।
That if you have money, you are happiest person of the world.
No. Also, there are a lot of the people they have money, but
If
they
you
don't
have money, you are happiest person of the world. If you have money, you are king of this
No,
world.
sir, you say that like if you have money, so you are happiest person in the world. Like I give you an example. Why Sushant Singh Rajput they did suicide because of he have a lots of money. Why, sir? It's a problem of the depression.
So he committed suicide. It might be that he has any kind of problem, any kind of ailment, any kind of
So
disease.
you say that every problem solved by the money.
Yeah, so you say that.
He can be exceptional cases. You have multi cases.
So you are saying you can solve all kind of the problem by your money.
All
Yes.
kind of problem means, listen here, all kind of problem means there is some kind of exception. Whenever we want to build up, to start, to go, to visit, to purchase, to take admission, to apply any activity, very first things which come in our mind, this is the money. We have money or not.
Welcome back to English by Hafiz.
Debate practice money versus time.
कि हम तो वो तारीख हैं ज़हनों में रहना है जिसे कागजी पुर्जे नहीं जो फाड़ डाले जाएंगे। जिस ज़मीन पे मैं खड़ा हूँ ये मेरी पहचान है। आप आंधी हैं तो क्या मुझको उड़ा ले जाएंगे?
Well, today debate practice, and we are doing debate with our teacher. I know there is no kind of any kind of the level to debate with him, but it's a practice. And my brother and a sister, today our topic is time versus money. Here we have to choose which one is the best than other. That's why I support time. Time is have different kind of the attitude. It's never stop for everyone. It doesn't matter who are you. And time is once gone, never ever back. Time has time give us two types of the way. It's depend on you which types of the way you choose. And one is a bad productive way. Second is some special things in your life. And my brother, here a lot of the student they are come here and dawdle. It's time. I think a day will come they are not again something in from this coaching. And here a lot of the student come and utilize his time in the good things. I think they get some things in from the coaching. That's all about it. Thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum, good evening, good afternoon to all of you. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak here. All this is a debate practice. Our debate topic, money versus time. I like time. Time is a very, very important for everyone. Without time, we cannot achieve any success in life. Time is the much more better than money. Time management is the most powerful skill. If even 1 minute can change everything. Time does not wait for the lazy. Time once gone, never back. If you have a lot of time, if you go anytime, anywhere, that's all. This is my short opinion.
Hi, hello, good afternoon, assalamu alaikum to all of you. Well, this is debate class today and our debate topic time versus money. I support, I fear, I talk time. Time has great importance in human life. The person who understands the importance of time in his life constantly moving toward progress. The value of time is more than money. Money can be regained sooner or later. Time is very, very important in student life. A proper time management is required to achieve success by using time. We are able to do something and time and live a better life.
First of all, thank you everyone guys who are sitting here, and you are highly excited to perform, to practice this debate. So really that is wonderful sign to you. That is a great things. Actually you are getting more productive, innovative, creative. If you are excited, interested to debate, especially for your mentor, for your teacher, so really it's your prevalent, it's your greatness. Ladies and gentlemen, with plenty purpose of conducting such a practice debate, which really creates amazing kind of awareness, welfare, solution here. whatever debate, whatever activity, today's activity, yeah, my class, my coaching, whatever activity we are conducting here, we have multi and plenty motive, purpose here. One of them is firstly is here merely we want to develop, evolve our skill, talent. That is why we are applying such kind of practice. Secondly, we also want to message to people. I mean, we want to create awareness, welfare. We want to finish what kind of problem people actually they are facing. Lots of people, a huge number of people, they have misconception, misunderstanding. They exactly don't know how are they living, how are they leading their life. What is the best and proper, accurate use of their life as well as their time. So today's our practice topic is time versus money. Already we have done debate, but today also we are going to debate with our excited, highly productive, talented, excited student, time versus money. I hope that you all guys gave me topic is that money. So thank you for giving me such a great, paramount, useful, urgently usable topic. This is the money. Everyone knows very well, nicely, properly, कि how great, how useful money in our life. Indirectly, we can say that कि people actually, this world is also rounding, this world is also depending, relying on that money. People, everyone, they want accumulate lots of money in their life. Why they are accumulating? Because if you have money, you are considered king of this universe, this world. Already we have many example. This time there are many people, they are famous, they are prosperous, they are generous, they are munificent, just behalf of having accumulating a great huge number of money. They have lots of money, they have untold money themselves. On the basis of money, they have everything. Here also I would like to mention some point which is really require time. I think that more than 50%, 70%, yeah, you can say that 80% people, they are not understanding values, virtues of time. If they are getting understanding virtues, skill, quality of time, definitely they can do something great, something amazing, something miraculous, tremendous in their life. But still we are getting a huge number of people, more than 70-80% people, they are coming from the middle background, poor background. Only 10% richest in our country who utilize. So here is also I would clear formally, strongly, that those who are success, how did they get success? By accumulating already their background so strong, yeah, they worked hard, they achieved achievement in their life. Today's time, really our urgent and final requirement is that money. Because without money, we cannot handle our personal life. We face lots of problem. Instead of jumping and talking our family, friend, relative, yeah, any other matter which is also very high and big. Whenever we want to build up, to start, to go, to visit, to purchase, to take admission, to apply any activity, very first things which come in our mind, this is the money. We have money or not. If you are going to start any business, where is also you have to collect money. If you are going to visit some places, some area, you also target, you also realize that you have money or not. If any accident, sudden accident happen in your life, which is also require money too. People are saying that time heal everything, but you should know that money is also solve your 100% problem what you are creating in your life. In your life, automatic you can solve each and every problem by sitting at home, by sitting at your bed, in the your personal room. You can clear, you can finish each and every work. But if you have not money, then you will have to face problem. You will have to wonder, you will have to roam house to house, from village to village, city to city, country to country. Everywhere you will have to go, you will have to wander as a beggars, as a needy. Why? Because you already saw people, student, they are roaming, they are jaunting, they are strolling there and where. Why? Because they want money, they want to make actually their value as a do kaudi. Because still we are not success, because we have not any kind of a skill. Everyone, they can realize, they can analyze themselves ki what are our position in this world, what kind of skill, what kind of stature actually we have in our society. Because people respect you by looking your property, by looking your job, your designation, your money, how is your background, how much money actually are you earning, what is your skill. People respect you if you have knowledge, if you have every information, but if you have not money, you have not income, any kind of, people never ever respect you, never ever respect you. I saw many people actually, they are talking, they are manipulating, they are saying good deed, they are telling us a beautiful sentences, ideas, things, everything, but they are zero in income. Nobody is listening, nobody respecting, nobody valuing. You want ask question? I ask question.
First you.
I ask question. All right. In this modern world, everyone, 99-100% people, they want make resources of earning money. Why? If money is not important.
I never say that money is not important. I say that money need everywhere. Everybody want
Yeah,
money.
I am not saying that you are not saying
but
that.
I want to say that
People actually, 100% people, they are highly, urgently, quickly running behind the money, not time. Why?
sir, please.
If you are saying that time is important, then why majority, maximum people, they are running extremely, they are running behind the money, not time.
First of all, I agree with that. Everybody run behind the money, and second thing is how they run behind the money. By like
How are
they
they?
have some skills. That's why he run behind the money. So how they learn his skill? By the time investing their time, by spending their time on that skill. That's why he.
I also don't say that the time is not important.
But
Right.
sir,
By the way, this is my favorite topic, time. But here I choose money because मैं भी बिक गया, मैं भी
big
लोग पैसे से बिक जाते हैं. क्या करते हैं? दुनिया बिक जाती है, लोग बिक जाते हैं, कंपनी बिक जाती है, सब कुछ पैसा पे क्या होता है? बिक जाता है. लड़के बिक जाते हैं, लड़की खरीद लेती हैं.
my
You are saying that कि everywhere people, they are helping, they are assisting time. You are saying that whether they want to be a doctor, they need time,
time.
right? They want to be a engineer, yeah, they want to get achievement any kind of, where is also time compulsory.
Compulsory. That's right.
There is also money compulsory, time both, we can say that. But why are people, they are achieving their achievement? Why are people becoming a getting success? What's their last and final motive?
I think, sir, it's a goal of them.
Yeah.
and if you make one kind of the target, then I think you
Very good.
complete your target, and it's not only purpose to earn money. It's your if you make one kind of the target, then it's a good for you, and if you don't make any kind of the target,
It
then
is
I
something
think
you
are
have to manipulate also in the debate, right? Okay, right. Very good.
then I think if you don't make any kind of the target, then I think you are just like
Yeah, Akib, I understand your point. You merely you want to say that ki, sir, people only they have not purpose earning money. Actually, they want fame. They want achieve their designation. They want to be an officer, engineer. Actually, they have proud having the degree of engineer, right? या master, या MBBS, या any other more. But I agree your point of view. But if any MBBS doctor, right, he become, right, if he is not earning money, yeah, he has not any kind of resources where he can earn money, yeah, where he can check out, where he can provide, right, actually his service to the people, patient. So people, they don't value, they don't respect him or her. Why? Because they have job, they have skill, they have degree. Yeah, he has degree, but he has not any kind of resources. He has not actually money. He has not any kind of income. So people start devaluing. आपके पास बहुत सारी स्किल है, अभी आप फ्री में पढ़ा रहे हो, आप कोई इज्जत नहीं रहे, कोई जाएगा ही नहीं. जो जाएगा भी एक दिन जाएगा, एक दिन नहीं जाएगा, बिकॉज कुछ भी नहीं है.
sir, I think
Because money is also identify your skill. Money is also measure your skill.
sir,
But
I
how
agree.
you earn the money? By the skill, and how you learn that skill? By spending your time on that skill. So here time comes first, and second is all.
I know that very well. Ki everything we learn with the time, because already everyone has same time. You also have 24 hours. I also have 24 hours. Every creatures who are living in this
And my
world,
second
they have same time. So we are not out of the time. We are under the time. But we are not in the money, out of money, right? Time, nobody is gaining the time. Nobody is controlling the time. Nobody is stopping the time. Time automatic run in your life. Time does not perform any kind of. But you have to accumulate lots of money. Time तो सभी की बात, अगर मैं आपकी बात मान लेता हूँ, if I acknowledge your point that कि people they are utilizing time. If they are utilizing time in a proper right direction, then why are not they getting success? Right? 80% people they are facing problem. They are coping a lot in their life. Why? Because they have not money.
First of
So
all,
it doesn't mean that कि it means that कि they don't understand value of time.
first of all, I agree with your point. Like everybody run behind the money, but you know that, like somebody, like everybody have a 24-hour in a day, but somebody become a famous suddenly, and somebody not become a famous. Why? Because of they are use their time wisely in an
You should know
actual
that.
way. So
you should know that. You are saying that कि we should use our time wisely.
wisely, yeah, that's right.
Here point, we cannot get success by utilizing only time. People, everyone they are utilizing their time, but you know one who
sir, in this era-
listen my complete point. One who work hard, one who actually make entire force, ideas, tips and technique, बहुत ज़्यादा जो मेहनत करता है वो सक्सेस होता है.
Sir, I think for the
Right?
work hard,
Time तो सभी वैल्यू जानते हैं. Everybody knows that कि this is my time, this is my time.
But if
those
everybody-
who are wisely using their mind, right? And they are working hard. They are making any kind of mistake and blunder. They are continue working hard. They are getting success.
so I think if you want to make any kind of the plan, firstly you need time to think about him. You go deep and
You know, I agree. Time, because we all are inside the time. Do you agree or not?
Yeah.
We, कोई ऐसा है जो टाइम से बाहर है? There is no person, anybody who is out of the time.
But I
Because
want to
we
say
are
that-
time. अगर हमारे पास टाइम तो है ना, ये टाइम चल रहा है ना, टाइम है ना, टाइम is not in my hand, right? Automatic time is run. So we are living inside the time. we are diving inside the time.
Then second and also
We cannot go out of the time any minute and second,
Yeah.
right? Because already we are time. So time, everybody they have time. You know, if I take to you, a taking point is that ki those who are jobless, those who are unsuccessful, those who are have not any kind of job, they have lots of time. I saw in my village, I survey कि many student, many jobless people, they have lots of time. They are saying that कि I have time, but I am not getting job. I have not money. So they are searching, they are looking for any kind of job where they can accumulate money.
So
If you are saying that कि time is important, then why are not they utilizing their time? They should accumulate lots of money because they have time, they have free time. They are saying that we have some morning to evening, they have time, but they are not getting success. Why? If you are saying that time is very important only, then they have time, full time. Why they are not getting success?
Because of they are not use their time wisely. And second thing is that you say that everybody live in inside of the time.
Yeah, everybody.
But like everybody don't know the value of the time, because of if they know the value of time, then he don't scroll the reel of Instagram and lots of things. And a person which name of cancer he say अगर अपनी एज में आप अगर अपने समय के साथ अपने समय की कदर नहीं करेंगे तो आपको कुछ आपकी जो एज जब चली जाएगी तो आपको समय कदर आपकी एज की नहीं करेगा. तो वो मैटर करता है. लाइक time is very important. If in your actual age like 18 19 you are not value the time because of high you have a in this age you have a high dopamine. That's why in this age you are not value your time. So after some years like you get married and you're like
I also value the time. You also value the time. But don't you consider that कि money is this time money is not high-fi, money is not important.
I agree with you, but
money is important, sir, but you know that
Today time
it's a need, it's not
today
much
time
more important.
I think that level of money more high
sir,
because everywhere we require urgently money, not time.
I think it's
Only some places whenever we reach to the hospital after getting any kind of high-fi accident, then doctor says that so sorry you are late. At that time we can feel that ki here is time more valuable. But mostly the things which use in our life, this is money.
sir. You
Because
also said money.
People utilize their ideas and tips according money. People mind run according that money. Money, already I have mentioned this one, ki money, this is one kind of paper. But this is also impacting human mind, human mentality. You should know that ki many people, they not having just money, they are facing lots of problem in their life. They have tension, they go into the depression. Why? They have karja, they have debt, they have 10 lakh rupees debt because they have 5 daughters. They need to get marriage them. They are going in the depression. They are getting old quickly because they could not bear, they could not afford right pressure of the money, high-fi debt.
Sir, you are saying in my village.
You should know that this time if you have 5 to 6 members in a family, because this time inflation is so high. Inflation is top of the peak.
Yeah, that's right.
At least 20,000 rupees at least you need per month
Per month, absolutely
to
right.
manage expenditure of family house, because you have 4, 5 brother, a sister, a son, a daughter, they are going to school, right? Even also they have their personal dresses, book, notebook, many extra expenditure we are actually facing. Not only ration, not only right now admission, not only food, right? Excepting of also we have plenty problem in our life which can be solved by money.
Sir, I want to ask you one question. You say in my village much more people are jobless. Please, many people are jobless. Please give me. Please tell me what is qualification of those are.
Their qualification, I think that they are not high-fi educated. right?
In this time,
They are, I think that qualified 10 plus 2 yeah
Sir,
graduation.
here I think I say that here qualification or graduation education doesn't matter. Skill matters. So how and you learn skill. I said again, you need much more time to spend on that skill. That's why you learn skill and you earn money.
Yeah.
Here in 2025 you need skill. Like any skill you need skill. You don't need like anything qualification like.
Yeah,
Person,
that is-
he is 12th paid, but still he is a software engineer. Like
They have untold reach. They have untold money themselves. Mostly uneducated people.
what's the repeat your point?
Mostly uneducated people. They have untold reach. Untold money.
Give me any kind of. Give me example.
Example means people, they are accumulating lots of money. Yeah, they are becoming rich.
Yeah.
Not on the basis of education.
Yeah.
On the basis of business.
Yeah.
Yeah, any kind of property actually they have. Yeah, number two, any kind of work of the job of the number two.
You are saying first is business.
Yeah.
If you have a business and if you don't have time to lead your business, if you don't have time to see your business, then how can you increase your business? And second is job. If you have a job and if you don't have time to doing your job with properly, and then how can you continue your job and how can you job in person?
If I pass my time from 1 day 2 day, from 1 day 2 day, so also we take time. Everywhere, everything take time. Right? Because without taking time, yeah, without having time, we cannot move. If we are die, if we are dead, then we are not using. So we take time. Not only by taking time, we can get success.
Give me any kind of example.
Just like he also mentioned that you have to utilize your mind, your skill. You have to create
so
your
how
skill.
you learn that skill? By spending your time on that skill. So here comes time.
I speak English, this is my skill.
Yeah, I spend much
And
more time
I come here
that's why
and learn my skill.
speaking
and I
English.
speak.
Many people, they have skill. Still they are facing lots of problems.
No, sir, it's
Sir, I
never ever possible. If anybody have a skill,
You know, suppose you have skill, yeah, they have skill.
Yeah.
But why they are running behind the money?
sir, it's I say again need, sir, need. It's a
Then
need.
money is important and time is important.
Time. If you
condition matters, sir. Sir, here
Bro,
condition matters.
You gave your 20 years.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
30 years.
Yeah.
Why? You want earn money. Doctor give 5 to 10 years, 6 years, 7 years. Why? They want money.
But
Yes,
I'm not
What
give
is
my
your
10
final
years
target, final dream? What's your final dream?
like
What's your ultimate last decision? Money or time?
Repeat your point.
sir.
You are saying that ki everywhere we take time.
Okay.
You already have a skill. But still why are you running behind the money?
Sir, I agree.
Why are you searching the way where you
Everybody
can
has
accumulate
It's
lots
our
of?
need, and if I have a lot of money, then I can't running behind. I can't.
Then
behind
so here money value is more your
It's a
time.
depend
Sir,
on the
sir,
condition,
sir,
sir.
sir,
It's a depend on the
sir, I
condition.
agree with that. Money is important. But if like I'm a doctor, how I become a doctor? I spend my time 10 year, like 20 year, 30 year, become a
You should know,
for the
I give
doctor.
one example.
So how?
One person who is uneducated, but he has untold money. He has lots of money. Right?
Please,
Listen. On other hand, we have many doctors, engineers, officers. They utilize their time. They become, but their level in the money, they financially they are not high-fi strong. But so people mentality is that one who is uneducated but he has lots of money, people start respecting him.
Yeah, that's
Right? Why? Because people say that they are doctor, engineer, but they have not any kind of skill to accumulate money, which is our urgent require. But one who is uneducated, he accumulate lots of money, so people start respecting him, not that them.
Sir, how he?
Why respecting him?
How
He earned money.
Sir, I agree with that. How he earn the money? Like which type of skill have we? That type of person. Like please give me one example of uneducated person. That's all.
Or repeat your point.
Like I want to say that. Please give me one example of that person who is uneducated and who earn lots of money. Please give me
In
one
my
example.
village, actually, there is a person, Mr. Abdu, right?
Uh,
He is, I think that richest man of our village. He has lots of property.
What he doing?
Yeah, he has business.
Business. So
yeah.
how
his time in it.
so how
His time in-
like if you have any and if like you say that he have not
I
skill to
am
run.
saying to you, brother, one hand you have 100 people.
100.
They are where? And in 100 people, you have some doctor, engineer, officer. Each and every skill they have. And second hand, other hand, we have only one person who has only lots of money. So, who is success?
Sir, Ade will come. They are also success.
First of all, sir,
But
I want to
it's a-
say that
Who is
Albert
more
Einstein-
powerful? Who is more powerful?
I agree with that point, but
Because
but sir,
Those who have not lots of money, they have not values them.
Sir, why?
Because his money distinguish your stature in the society, in the village, in the why Mukesh Ambani is famous. If I ask you a question, what will you answer?
buy the money, but how he earn the money?
By his
How he
business.
earn the money?
Day by day he increase his business.
कोई मैटर नहीं, आपको डिग्री मिल जाती है, आप बढ़ जाते हो, आप पढ़ लिख के IAS ऑफिसर बन जाते हो, तो क्या कैसे बनो ये मैटर करता है? आप बन गए एक्चुअली.
हाँ नहीं सर, इट्स मैटर लाइक
sir?
जब हम किसी इंटरव्यू में जाते हैं तो हमसे लोग पूछते हैं भाई
One
आपने
minute.
क्या किया, मतलब आपका टाइम टेबल
आपने
क्या था?
आपने हाई स्कूल में टॉप कर दिया, 98% आया, लोग आपकी सर्टिफिकेट देखेंगे, आपका बैकग्राउंड कैसा था क्या था कोई नहीं देखेगा, राइट? सो
Sir,
पीपल
but
सी योर रिजल्ट ओनली, पीपल सी ओनली योर रिजल्ट. हाउ इज योर
I
रिजल्ट?
agree with that, but you know,
कोई ना, अगर आपका नंबर कम आ गया, आपको मैं बीमार था, कोई सुनेगा? कहेगा नहीं, एक्सक्यूजेस बना रहे हो, क्या
तो
बीमार थे?
सर,
बात समझ में आ रही?
ये
कोई नहीं
बात तो
सुनेगा.
सही है,
नोबडी विल
like
लिसन योर एक्सक्यूजेस.
you say that
Only people see your result.
May I?
So how much hard work, what kind of skill ideas did you use? Nobody is right now looking. Only people say how much valuable, what is your position, what is your stature in the society, and what is your
Like,
income
sir,
level.
sir,
This is also distinguish you.
Sir,
अगर एक
I-
अमीर
sir,
गांव में
sir,
है, पूरे गांव वाले उसकी इज्जत करते हैं और उससे
please, I want to say, sir, please listen my point. Like you say about like a student who become a class 10 topper. Like when he go on any interview, so everybody ask to him, what's your timetable? Like
many hours you
what's your
study at home?
timetable and what's your
And
time?
if anybody-
Yeah, I agree, but you know the things which distinguish him, this is his result.
It's second, sir, but in the interview, like why everybody, if time is not important, so why everybody ask to him?
So
Also, you say well
you know
educated person.
your dream, people are saying that my dream is doctor, engineer, officer, whatever.
Yeah.
Lots of dream, but after completing their dream, there is also one huge dream. This is the accumulating money. लोग शो नहीं करते. People are not showing कि मैं डॉक्टर बनने के बाद पैसा कमाऊंगा, लूटूंगा, right? तो actually they want accumulate lots of money. जो एक सीक्रेट उनका होता है वो छुपाए हुए होते हैं. वो डॉक्टर बन रहे हैं, ऑफिसर बन रहे हैं, लेकिन अंदर उनके मन में है कि मैं बनूंगा तो मुझे पैसा चाहिए, मुझे ये
Sir,
चाहिए, मुझे
first of
गाड़ी
all,
चाहिए, ये चाहिए, this
I
and
want to
that.
say that it's a
It's a
greedy
nature.
system.
Yeah.
Like if you have a 1 rupee, so on the next day you want 2 rupees. You have a 2 rupees, on the next day you want 3 rupees. It's a greedy system. And second thing is how he become IPS by investing our time in the study. That's
study.
why.
And
I agree with that. Everybody
There-
want
I-
1, 2, 3.
अच्छा,
I give
कोई
you an
ऐसा है
example. Sir, I give you-
जो बगैर टाइम दिए हुए पढ़ सकता है?
तो सर वही तो.
टाइम हमारे आपके हाथ में है. टाइम इज इन योर हैंड या इन माई हैंड. टाइम इज नॉट इन योर हैंड. सबके पास टाइम है. एवरीबडी हैज
That's
टाइम
why
24
time is
आवर्स.
most powerful.
लिसन, एवरीबडी हैज सेम टाइम, बट व्हाई आर नॉट दे गेटिंग सक्सेस? इफ यू आर देइंग टाइम इज एवरीथिंग. 80% people they are facing problem. They are coping a lot in their life. Only जिसके पास पैसा है वो नहीं फेस कर रहा है.
80%
They
they are
have
educated.
facilities.
So 80% people they are educated and skilled.
I am not talking here educated and educated, Rakib.
Sir,
Here I am talking about money and
It's
time.
depend on
still.
his mentality, on which way he use it. I think they are, you say that there is also living one family. They also there is dream.
कोई
I earn
ऐसा नहीं है, कोई ऐसा पर्सन है. There is any person who doesn't want to earn money, who doesn't like money, who
Sir,
doesn't.
it's a nature.
want-
It's a
Sir, it's
our
a need, and second thing, everybody earn money, want to earn money. But you know, sir, how they earn money? By spending their time on a job,
Sir,
on a business.
You want money or not?
I want.
You want to earn money?
I
Of course
want.
you want.
But
You want time
how
or not?
I earn the money?
You
By
want- Sir, you want time or not?
Yeah.
You want time or not with your families?
Everyone actually they want time,
then
but you should know that कि जो चीज़ सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है आज के दौर में, दिस इज द मनी.
Sir,
So
why
sir, it's a
every-
need. It's a depend on system. Like if you live in a like Saudi Arabia, but you want to spend your time with your family, so you need time. So it's a need.
People-
It's depend on the need.
पीपल कंपनी टू कंपनी, कंट्री टू कंट्री भटकते हैं. पीपल रोम कंट्री टू कंट्री, सिटी टू सिटी, कंपनी टू कंपनी, मार्केट टू मार्केट, हाउस टू हाउस. दे रोम just because of money.
But after sometimes they like if they are not living there with their family in the long time, so but he want time to spend with her family, with his family. Why? Because of they need of the time, so
You
it's
are
a depend
talking
on the
about
need.
you need to spend some time with your family.
Yeah, it's a
But
need.
you should know that this is the temporarily. If you are not money, you have not any kind of income, so nobody will get married you. Family छोड़िए. Even your mother, father, and also your wife, your partner also will deny, reject you and taunt you.
But-
कि
Sir-
you have nothing, you are not earning money.
If I have a lot of money and I never ever give any 1 minute to my family, then also my family leave me.
नहीं, टाइम तो
my
देना
wife-
है, टाइम तो देना है,
Then
राइट.
also my
लेकिन
listening-
अगर आप टाइम दे रहे हो, पैसा नहीं है, तो यू फेस प्रॉब्लम. फैमिली ही कुछ
If
कहेगी,
I-
यू
if I
आर
give
नॉट
money,
गुड.
if I give money, then if I not give in time, then also it's a big problem.
टाइम आप थोड़ा बहुत कम ज़्यादा कर सकते हो, लेकिन पैसा अगर नहीं रहेगा तो यू फेस प्रॉब्लम.
Sir, yeah.
कैन यू रन हाउस विदाउट मनी?
No, sir. I agree with your
Can you-
point,
Then
but you know that
can you run without
here
house?
here like it's
Can you
a
get
time to-
responsible? Can you
here
get-
like it's a system. You need money. So sir, you need money. Like if you need anything,
आप
so
समझते हो
you
मनी इज किंग ऑफ दिस वर्ल्ड?
like sir. आप
डू यू कंसिडर मनी इज किंग ऑफ दिस वर्ल्ड?
I agree with
डू
you.
यू
but
कंसिडर
I
मनी
agree
इज
with you.
एवरीथिंग?
money is not everything. Money is important need.
Money
Because,
is
sir,
just a need,
You know
sir.
that आप
That
सब्जी लेने
giving
जाएंगे
you-
आपको पैसा
डू
चाहिए.
यू कंसिडर दैट इफ यू हैव मनी योर ऑल प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व?
No sir. All
No, sir.
problem.
If I have money, then I also I need.
Do you realize that if you have money, you are happiest person of the world?
No. Also, there are a lot of the people they have money, but
If
they
you
don't
have money, you are happiest person of the world. If you have money, you are king of this
No,
world.
sir,
If you
but
have
I
listen
agree
to
with
me.
your point,
Let
but
me-
sir, why
if you have
90
money, you are most responsible. You are most right, supportive for everyone.
I give-
If you have money, you have respect more.
Like-
If you have money, you have
sir-
stature. If you have money, you have fame in the society, in the village, in the country, in whole world.
Like sir.
Who is actually respecting
you-
poor and
you-
beggars?
you say that-
What are the values of the poor and beggars and needy in our
First
country?
First of all, I want to
Background.
first of all I want to give the
They
answer
have
of your-
lack and
like,
deficiency
you
of
say
money.
that like if you have money, so you are happiest person in the world. Like I give you an example. Why Sushant Singh Rajput they did suicide because of he have a lots of money. Why sir?
Yeah,
It's a problem of the depression. Why they
Also,
not
if
on
you
their
lost your
depression
money-
problem by the
Sushant
money?
Singh. Listen.
If you lost your money,
Listen,
then also you
he had lots of money. You are saying that he actually committed suicide, right? So he committed suicide. It might be that he has any kind of problem, any kind of ailment, any kind of
So
disease.
you say that every problem solved by the money. But how?
Yeah, so you say that.
He can be exceptional cases. You have multi cases.
So
Sir-
you are saying you can solve all kind of the problem by your money.
All
Yes.
kind of problem
Sir,
means, listen here, all kind of problem means there is some kind of exception.
Sir, here is not one.
अब मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि पैसा आपके पास रहेगा आप मरोगे भी नहीं,
Also,
ये तो नहीं हो सकता है.
that is a
अगर आपके पैसा मौत को कोई नहीं रोक सकता
अरे
है,
sir.
बीमारी आ सकती है, कोई नहीं रोक सकता. आपको सर बीमारी आ गई,
And
Sir,
second thing,
also,
why
that thing
lots
you
of
say, I
बट
did-
मोस्टली
Yeah.
मेजोरिटी क्या है?
like a person who have a lot.
बताइए, जिनके पास पैसा है वो मेजोरिटी तौर पे खुश है, जिनके पास पैसा नहीं वो खुश है.
Sir, it's a depend on their condition. Like
What
मैं
condition?
I want to say that मैं कह रहा हूँ सर, like अगर आपके पास पैसा नहीं तो आपको पैसा की जरूरत है. अगर
If
आपके
you
पास
have
टाइम नहीं तो
not
आपको
money,
टाइम चाहिए.
if you have not money, you face problem. You only have tension, pressure,
Yeah.
right? Okay, you face lots of problem.
why many people are
You-
taking medicine to sleep in the night. They have a lot of money. Why? Because they have a
This
pressure
is
of the
the
money.
important of money.
Important of money.
Yeah.
There are a lot of the business.
Listen.
And why?
Listen.
Sir, why did
The things which you are valuing more, if you are losing, you are weeping,
Sir,
you are crying, you are facing problem.
Sir.
you are getting tears in your eyes. Are you getting? So that is why people they have a big great number of property. लोगों के पास बहुत बड़ी प्रॉपर्टी है. जब वो उनका टेंशन रहेगा तो भाई दिक्कत तो रहेगी.
Sir, money is also one kind of the tension. You said just you said.
टेंशन नहीं,
It's a one
values
kind of-
है. Just like
No, sir.
you are son of your father,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
If you go anywhere, right? You are son of your father.
Yeah.
So you like your father. Your father is also like you.
Yeah.
He also knows that कि he is my fame. He is my मतलब कुछ ऐसी चीज़ है जो हमारा नाम रोशन करेगा.
Yeah.
लेकिन if you go anywhere, he has also tension. So it's mean that you are bad.
Like sir,
No, tension जो यहाँ create हो रही है, this is the positive things. Create any kind of this is not any kind of connection of the money.
and why lots of rich people say that?
Brother.
Please live your life every
Illness
moment.
element can happen anytime, anywhere to anybody. Not having money, not right, yeah, having money. If you have plenty of money, also problem या element can happen to you.
sir.
If you have lack of money, also problem can.
Sir, I want to say
happen to
why.
you.
Please give me answer of my question. I want to say that कि why lots of rich people say that please live your life, live your every second, live your every moment. Why? Live your every hour,
your past.
live your every minute, live your every year,
second.
live your every second. Why? If time is not important, because of they are rich, they have lots of money. Why they
different
say
condition.
that please value your time, value your time, value your time, value your time. Why?
Because
खाली बेवकूफ़ बनाते हैं तभी तो 80% लोग गरीब हैं और 10%
Sir, ये
it's not our answer. It's not our answer.
बेवकूफ़ वो नहीं कहते कि पैसा कैसे कमाया जाएगा, टाइम पे वैल्यू करो. उनको पता नहीं टाइम पे वैल्यू क्या, टाइम का कैसे यूज़ किया जाएगा, हाउ टू मेंटेन द टाइम, और पैसे से पैसा कैसा बनाया जा सकता है.
Like second, or if
If I-
you want to earn money.
लिसन टू 1 मिनट. अगर आप कैलकुलेट करते हो, कॉपी किताब लेकर अपना टाइम लिखते हो, मुझे क्या क्या करना है, खाली क्या क्या करना है, और यू आर नॉट थिंकिंग हाउ कैन यू एक्यूमुलेट मनी, व्हाट आर द मेन रिसोर्सेज ऑफ कलेक्टिंग एक्यूमुलेटिंग मनी. दे आर यूजिंग कर रहे हैं मनी, वो ट्रांसफार्म लगा रहे हैं, कंपनी बना रहे हो, टाइम यूज देख रहे हैं.
Sir, how I think by
हाउ कैन वी एक्यूमुलेट मनी?
How can-
बाय मेंटेनिंग टाइम ओनली,
Yes, sir, if you
बाय मैनेजिंग टाइम ओनली.
sir, if you
Tell me.
listen me, if you have
You need to build up any company. You need to advertise. You need to perform some kind of activity.
after these are things
एक
happen,
मूवी लॉन्च की जाती है, करोड़ों लोग कमाते हैं, राइट? ठीक है, टाइम खाली वेस्ट कर रहे हैं.
sir, listen, if you have a one biggest shop in your village and only you open your shop and you don't utilize your time on your shop, then how can you get much more money than after?
So I get much more money.
If you leave your shop, if you don't
Why
give
I
your time, if you
why I have full discipline? You know, there just I want money.
yes, I want, and if you utilize your time, then student come here. If you
Okay,
don't,
you should know that
what's up?
your values are declared just after looking your property, your income.
Sir, I agree with that.
Also,
But please, I want to ask one question.
Listen, I give one.
Sir,
in
please.
a single family, if you have two brother, one is earning 50,000, second is earning zero income. Everyone values, respect, follow
I think
only 50,000.
it's a-
One.
I agree with that. But sir, please give
That
me.
is crystal clear example,
Please
which
give me-
distinguishes everything.
A lot of the people respect you.
Yeah.
You have a lot of property, you have a knowledge, and you utilize your time in the coaching, and then you have a lot of money.
देखिए-
People respect you by your property.
How you
Listen.
like you don't run behind the money. Everybody
People come here.
come
If they don't pay fees, I don't satisfy them.
Sir, also
I
you
don't
said
take
if you
admission.
have any kind of problem.
But sir, listen my point.
Oh, दूसरी condition.
I want to say, please,
give you any product item without money, paying money in the market.
Sir, I talk about your coaching. If you
Here,
give me some things,
any coaching I am talking to you, if you go, firstly people take your admission. Firstly talk about the
if I get admission,
about talk the
students-
fees, right? Admission fee.
Yes.
They take, then they open coaching for them. Because here, why people they are opening their coaching? They want money. They like money.
sir, it's
पढ़ाते तो हैं, लेकिन अगर पैसा रोक तो पढ़ाते हैं कि नहीं, देखो.
but sir ये तो ठीक है, मगर वो पढ़ाते कैसे हैं? उनके पास स्किल तो है.
I agree
तो
with
sir,
you.
Sir, please tell me why our brother and Aksam brother can't come in our coaching. They also pay the fees.
Listen.
They don't have time.
Listen. Aksam brother and Arab brother, it's their personal matter, right?
They also
it
say,
might
I
be
calling
that.
him, then I don't have time.
Yeah, it might be
Then
that.
their time matter na. They also pay our fees.
Some people they are making right excuses कि they have not time. They are जब number आता है they have not time. They have not.